Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is Novel Image Steganography Method for Industrial Internet of Things Security. Project abstractions. Initially, the image is taken for the input and then pre-processing for the pixel repetition method. The pixel repetition method is a type of pixels. So it is a useful of one of the pre-processing method. And then for the LSB information hiding of algorithm, LSB is a least square bit. The information of hiding algorithm using for the security key is a proposed of information hiding cryptography. Increase the human eye visible features. The identity of authentication based on digital signature and then encryption technology is to improve the security of the information hiding. It based on hiding data to extract the receive of inverse of system using A star algorithm. This based on A star algorithm is searching of the data. Finally, through the experiment of the comparison of PSNR value and then LSB image steganography algorithm using encryption technology is better than the stegno image method of better used and higher PSNR values. Flow explanation. First of all, select the input image and then pre-processing step. Pre-processing step is the image resize. This have used for pixel repetition method. Pixel repetition is the twice of images. Twice of pixels wise the image will be increases. After that is resize the image. After that, the AES cryptography system. Cryptography system, the one of the text message, embedded in the embedded means LSB embedded using text-wise image embedded. So the one of the read the text message inside the image. So it is the hide of data. After they extract the hide of data and then performance analysis. Performance analysis means PSNR value, MSC and MAE, mean square error and mean absolute error and PSNR value. It will be calculated. The first of all is the main code will be the main code is the importing library of function. We have used the tick in the is the browsing of the input images. First of all, run the code. First of all, select the input image. The input data is the Nina image will be selected. The image this is the secret text. This is the input image and the pre-processing the 256 into 3 dimensional resize image and pixel repetition method 512 and 512 into 3. This text will be encrypted using for the AES algorithm. After the LSB of embedding of image, the text will be embedded hidden in the data. This is a high resolution of image. Enter the key generation. This is the EGC. The encrypted from the image. The image is encrypted. The image and the text will be encrypted. After they enter the key again, EGC. The decryption of the image. It is a correct password. The time decryption time is this minutes. The image is encrypted. Enter the password. Output file. Is the incorrect file name. So it is the starting process only. This is the file output. Searching that is a decrypt from the image. Finally is the performance classification of AES and mean square error and mean absolute